Making your own candles is fun and creative. With the techniques I show you in this course, you'll be able to make candles that will rival the very best and the most expensive candles that you can find in the shops. Hi, I'm Shona. I'm a candle and soap maker, and I have been making soap, bath products and candles for over 18 years and teaching others to do the same. I have taught face-to-face as well as online courses, and my students have gone on to make fabulous products, and some have even set up successful businesses using the skills that I taught them. When I first started making candles, I thought it would be so simple. Just get some wax, melt it down, add fragrance and colour, and pour it into a container or mould. Well, that's the principle, but there's a lot more to it than that. Waxes and wicks are crucial to getting a candle that burns well and has a good fragrance. But when I looked at the huge range that was available, I had no idea where to start. I didn't know the difference between them and which I should use. It was very confusing. But you don't need to worry about any of that, because I will share with you the quick and easy way to find the best products for your candle making. When I first started making candles, I have to admit I made some mistakes, which resulted in some not great looking candles. However, I will share these mistakes with you so that you can see for yourself what went wrong, how to avoid these pitfalls and make beautiful candles the first time. Even though this course is aimed at the complete beginner with no previous experience, I will teach you everything you need to know to make a great variety of candles. You'll finish the course being able to make a whole range of shapes, sizes and types of candle. You will have enough confidence and knowledge to easily create your own designs and recipes. Here's some of what we'll be making in the course. Traditional pillar candles, as well as other shapes. Various shaped container candles. Some visually stunning candles using a variety of colouring and fragrancing methods, which will make great gifts. Candles that are the right size, shape or colour to match your decor and furnishings. I will also give you several ideas for decorating your candles and candle containers so that you can make fabulous looking products to suit every occasion. If you already make your own soap or bath products, candles are the perfect addition to these, whether you want to create a relaxing spa setting or even to complement your products in gift baskets. No more searching for a candle with a matching fragrance. You can make your own. You will even get to make massage candles, the perfect partner for bath products. As soon as you enroll in the course, you will have instant lifetime access, so you can watch the course at your own pace, from anywhere in the world, whenever you want. The course comes with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. You will also get access to all future updates and additions at today's low price. So what are you waiting for? You have nothing to lose. Sign up right now and let's have fun making fabulous looking, wonderful